You are never going to eat hot dogs any other way. Super fast, easy, and delicious. First, grab a baking dish and grease it with butter or margarine. Next, place your hot dog buns in the dish. The amount of buns you use depends on how many you want to make. I'm going to make 4. Cut out a thin rectangle in all of the buns like so. Then, use your fingers to press down on the piece you cut, and go ahead and click that like button and share this video with your friends because it really helps. Now that we cut out and press down the buns, add a spoonful or 2 of cream cheese. You guys, this really is the best hot dog I have ever had. It's really simple but really tasty. And now you can add the sausages of your choice. Doesn't that look great? I chopped up 1 tomato and I'm adding it over the sausage, and go ahead and tell me where you are watching from, because I just love seeing how far our recipes have gone. By doing so, you also get a special shout out in the next video. Also, tell me below if you have ever made hot dogs like this one before. Then add some potato crisps over top. You can add as much as you like. And to make it even better, I folded a slice of mozzarella cheese in half and added 2 on top of each bun. This is going to turn out so amazing, you won't even believe it. Now let's make the sauce. I added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now mix that and add the sauce over the cheese we placed over the bun. Don't forget to like our page, because then you will receive a new video every time we post. Now add some Parmesan on top and bake that at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until the cheese is nice and golden. Check out how tasty that looks. The flavor is amazing. You have to try this. I'm sure you are going to love it. Here at home, we ate it up. If you do try this recipe, make sure you tell me below. I want to take this time to send a big hug to Thomas Allen from Atlanta, Georgia for trying our recipes. And that's it for today. Bye, you guys!